Ah! Startled me. And it's Nick with safety. You know, one of the biggest complaints I hear from drivers? They go, Nick, just went to pick up my load. And I go, oh great, you're down on the road now? Nope, not on the road yet. Well, why aren't you on the road? Well, pick up the trailer, and guess what? Flat tire and a marker light out. I go, man, and maintenance? Sounds like a vendor's not gonna be here for about 2 hours. It's frustrating, especially if a driver's dropping off that trailer at this location, knowing that these are issues, and leaving. Some people do it, but you don't have to. Have you heard the saying of paying it forward? I think we need to start doing that more in trucking. If you get to your shipper, yard, wherever you're at, even if you're about to go on home time, you find yourself parking that trailer and finding a flat tire or a marker light out, anything wrong with that trailer, call maintenance. Let them know, hey, I'm about to go on home time, but just wanted to let you know this so you could send a vendor out to get this fixed. Want to make sure I'm taking care of the next guy. Simple thing to do, and you know what? Probably feels good too, because that guy is not going to know that you went to all that trouble to make sure that he was successful going forward. The number to maintenance is 1-800-366-4028. Next time you have a flat, marker light out, or see any damage on your trailer, make sure to call maintenance before you drop that and leave. You're just helping the next guy down the road. Or lady. Have a good one.